A leaked Central Intelligence Organization CIO memorandum has reportedly advised President Emmerson Mnangagwa against proceeding with controversial constitutional amendments recently tabled before Cabinet by Justice Minister Ziyambi. Zabira mashikubulani kwa chinzi Mnangagwa and Ziyambi ignore CIO memo. Don't subscribe or like on the bell icon. Deep down kwa mchinzi. According to the document, the intelligence body cautioned that the proposed changes go beyond the scope of ZVAITWA Resolution Number 1, which calls for extension of Mnangagwa's tenure to 2030. The draft proposals presented to Cabinet on Tuesday reportedly include removing direct presidential elections, extending both presidential and parliamentary terms from 5 to 7 years, and restructuring key constitutional provisions. In the leaked memo, the CIO is said to have described the proposals as a fundamental transformation of Zimbabwe's democratic framework, particularly the removal of presidential elections as provided under Section 92, read together with Section 158 of the Constitution. This is a fundamental transformation of Zimbabwe's democracy, altering the source of executive legitimacy. The memo reportedly states. The intelligence report further argues that Resolution Number 1 sought continuity within the existing constitutional framework, not a wholesale restructuring of the system. Resolution Number 1 sought continuity within the existing system, not regime change of the system itself. This is a monumental unauthorized policy shift, the memo read. It also reportedly criticizes proposals to extend President Parliament system, describing them as major constitutional changes introduced without broader party debate or mandate. The memo raises concerns over provisions that would shift voter registration and eliminate powers from the Zimbabwe Electoral Commission (SEC), including control over the voters' roll, arguing that such changes represent an expansion beyond the party's stated objectives. It has been unlawfully expanded into a wholesale constitutional revision that flagrantly violates the specific narrow mandate of ZANU-PF Mutare Conference Resolution Number 1. The report states the intelligence body is also quoted as warning that any attempt to extend presidential terms without a national referendum would contravene Section 328 of the Constitution, which sets out procedures for amending entrenched provisions. Exiled former Cabinet Minister Jonathan Moyo is reportedly named in the memo as having played a role in crafting the presentation to Cabinet. The CIO refers to him as a fugitive. The development comes amid ongoing factional tensions within ZANU-PF over succession and whether President Mnangagwa's current term, due to end in 2028, should be extended. While some party members have publicly begged an extension of his tenure, others have called for adherence to constitutional term limits. Government has not officially commented on the authenticity of the leaked memo. Toma developments aripo. Mira comment section medu za fungu muri kulipa msuru pe chitu kwa ichi. So subscribe or like, chat on the bell icon.